The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. It is KTimes.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs 1, Zesco FC 0. Mdlalo we-CAF Confederations Cup. Phaku Group D, Kaizer Chiefs now are on 4 points together with Zamalek. But ke siyazi ukuthi later on tonight Zamalek izabidlala ke ne-Al Masry Park e-Egypt. Umdlalo ozaba mkhulu for le group yabo. Top of the table clash. Earlier on namhlanje besibukele a bottom of the table clash between Zesco and Kaizer Chiefs. But now Kaizer Chiefs, even though Sepa Zanzibar the points banazo bana 4 points together with Zamalek. Bobzin, mhlawumbe nekhalaze Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje.
Yeah, that is why I'm corrected today. Umauti Chiefs 1, Zesco 0. It's because of today support the Chiefs. Ngibulisa uJusto Shane. Ngibulisa uMestenkeo. Ngibulise no legend, ngibulise no Chucks and Chucks. Ngiyambona happy today. Athi uChucks kimi ama team asaba ukudlala neChiefs kulamalanga. Ngathi mina ngicela ukunikeza i-team e1 athi yaziwa uwe no Shane ukuthi wapi lawo ma team lawa asaba ukudlala neChiefs yabona.
Oh, Chucks and Chucks. Are you scared of playing Chiefs, bro?
Mina wonke ama team wena Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngwa respecta ngwa treat ngendlela efanayo. I'm not scared. Wonke ama team.
I know I'm talking about Kaizer Chiefs.
No. Wonke ama team akhona the 15 teams.
I'm talking about Kaizer Chiefs, Bobo. Now Machaka Besons are the same thing. Now you're doing the same thing. Are you scared of facing Kaizer Chiefs?
No, because sidlala ku same league nabo. Ngizoba saba kanjani?
Okay, mhlobo. Thank you. Besibukele sibabini ke umdlalo weZesco neChiefs. Ubone njalo umdlalo namhlanje?
Shane. Ithi ngibongisa amakhosi Shane.
Yes.
I-first win yabo kuleya group.
Yeah, Group D.
Bana 4 points manje.
Yeah.
So ngiyacabanga ukuthi according to ama results the way ame ngakhona ngiyayibongisa iKaizer Chiefs. Kubalekile Shane when you play ama tournament afana nalawa even though ungadlali kahle but collect ama points Shane.
Yeah.
You know sinokuthi a draw it's good to udlala draw away. But if ukhona uwina away ngiyacabanga ukuthi into enhle kakhulu Shane there because most of ama team umadlala anokuthi ma adlala afuna ukudlala away athi no let's go and play draw swine like high. But for Kaizer Chiefs to collect maximum point.
Did you see the results the CAF Champions League is on?
Yeah.
Sure.
You understand?
Only one team won. Esperance beating, was it Simba or Yanga?
Only one team
won. Only one team won. Zonke zidlale 0-0 draw.
Exactly. Angishile into ngikutshela yona ngithi kakhulu special masoya kuma knockout Shane. Yabona kuyangami bengayifanisa nabo UEFA bengayikhipha mina away goal rule. Because iyenza ama team adlale defensive uma adlala away. Adlala defensive so that akwazi ukuthi afune advantage ukuyodlala ekhaya akhona collect ama points. So nayo lekwenze ama game abe abhore Shane. But igame namhlanje uma ungayibheka Shane first half iChiefs dominated according to understanding yami ngibone ngakhona even though ingazange kube nalama chances abawa createayo wonke ama team but Chiefs ku ball position in the middle of the park the likes of Umabuye nomdlalo ofana noGacheni ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngithanda i-availability yabo uma ngabe i-defense eChiefs ibamba ibhola abo make babamba ibhola bayavela Shane you know ngithanda i-midfield evela i-defense ibamba ibhola you understand so that bangadlali route 1 so ngiyacabanga ukuthi badlale kahle first half ukuthola lela goal Shane ubonile ukuthi i-mistake scoring a mistake Shane.
Yes.
Scoring a mistake second ball bahlulekile ukuyidefender abadlala i-defense yeZesco. So kusho kona ukuthi Chiefs i-capitalizeile Shane. Tholele la thuba uModi walivalela ngaphandle after uSilva ceda ukwenzani ukuheada lela ball. So kusho kona ukuthi i-chance oyitholayo Shane akudingi ukuthi uzuthola ama chance amaningi especially modlala lama tournament. It's not like udlala i-Nedbank Cup yothola 15 chances. Chance 1 mangabe uthola ithuba punish then ubone ukuthi mhlambe uyimanage kanjani udefender kanjani le goal akuzange kube nalento ukuthi singathi hey wow le game beyishisa yes ang expectanga iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi nga all out kule game because they are playing away iZesco bekumele respond njengoba siyibone second half ama changes ama substitute weZesco from first half ma coach afaka laba badlala abawu2 ubonise something ukuthi okay manje ngiyabona ukuthi strike which is number 9 always uya contest lapha emuva but akunamuntu omassistayo kubonakala ngathi sidlala away because iChiefs beyidlala ngathi idlala ekhaya phela first half so wenza ama changes second half sibabonile ilabe bazama khona ukuthi baletha ipressure ku Kaizer Chiefs but give credit ku defense eKaizer Chiefs ngiyacabanga ukuthi bakwazile wena Shane ukudefenda lela goal uma ungabheka umdlalo ofana noMcCarthy he played very well Shane uKwinika they played very well so uyabona ukuthi ukucoverana lapha emuva kuba lula for bona kunama interception awenzile umdlalo ofana noMcCarthy yilento esidingayo Shane yenza primary job yakho as a defender lokho kunye ukuthi uzo break ama window unikeze midfield wenze
that should be a bonus.
It's a bonus Shane do ama primary job clean job bega bathola clean sheet today omunye umuntu angasho ukuthi mara they didn't play well man Kaizer Chiefs it was away it's a conflict you understand so ngiyacabanga ukuthi mina Shane uma ngabe ba defende ngakhona kusho kona ukuthi kungaba lula next mabazodlala neZesco la ekhaya then so you expect abona ukuthi kube ne creativity ba convert lawo ama chances but ukhumbule ukuthi stage sale tournament sihlukile Shane so for me I think Chiefs yenze kahle kakhulu ukuthi collect ama points Shane
Any player bonakala ngathi imani improver game and game xa ngithetha nge-improvement thetha ngokugcina ama-clean sheet goalkeeper Brandon Peterson he has been exceptional this season contender for goalkeeper of the season if usibala ama-clean sheet wakhe sawacollectile so far this season I understand he conceded 2 in the first game conceded also again against Zamalek remember their first game against Al Masry but Betway Premiership yawakhipha ama clean sheet also kept another clean sheet namhlanje improvement yakhe uBrandon Peterson Bobson ibona njani this season igrowth yakhe
ulungisa into e1 Brandon e1 kuphela bekalekha yona bekahlushwa injabulo bekenza ama silly mistakes because of excitement uma ungambheka from iChiefs uma izomsayina he was doing well Shane yo goalkeeper kulabo goalkeeper bonke iChiefs enabo the guy was doing well the problem bekaba excited kakhulu ukuthi ayenza ama silly mistakes if you khumbula when ayenza iblunder la uNeoma yemazokora khona eAtrashville ama mistake afana nalawa yiwo bekambeke ebenchini but kulabo goalkeeper nabo he's the goalkeeper number 1 ku Kaizer Chiefs between Ntwari no Bryce Vuma ngiyacabanga ukuthi uye ugoalkeeper ngimbonayo ukuthi ungabheja ngayi Shane uye kulama game afana nalawa wenza kahle kakhulu le goalkeeper Shane so into nje nami engibonayo Shane ukuyithinta futhi nje ile abadlali abafana nabo Mayo if ungambheka today uMayo bekaluza amabhola bekawa ngiya understand the pitch for mina bengekho right Shane the pitch bengekho right omunye ngathi why bekuwa uMayo kuphela but ngiyacabanga ukuthi okunye futhi uma ungabheka nomdlalo ofana nomfundo akazange bene game enhle bazamile ukumchange bekadlala ngapha ka right bamlethe second half first 15 minutes udlalile as the number 10 but angizange ngibona function because naye uMayo bekadlala abuya kancane ashiya uSilva lapha so that operate la kule space sometimes bayo baba u2 lapha up front but uyabona ukuthi ibagwinyile le game Shane ibagwinyile sometimes kunezinye izinto unokuthi banikeza ama doubt okay I don't know ngihlala ngisho ngithi mawungabheka sathe ukuthi ipitch ayikho right or kuyashisa or kwenzakalana away the fatigue because nabo ba travel phela kumele ukuthi so mara uma ngithi ngiyayibheka mina Shane abadlali bekade bayenza kahle kakhulu kule team especially first half uma buye noGacheni ngiyacabanga benze kahle ngaphandle nje kwale defense eKaizer Chiefs but le midfield engikutshela ngayo ngiyacabanga benze kahle kakhulu Shane ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi ba dominate le midfield yeZesco so overall Shane ngiyalibongisa le team
bacombine futhi
ba understandana Shane ubheke the way badlala ngakhona omunye uma adlala switch adlala as a 8 uyabuya omunye uzostick if umabuye utholakala phambili uyabuya uGacheni uzoprotecta le defense so ngingendlela mhlawumbe uma ngabe indlala ku midfield ni understandane the way ngibona labadlali ba understandana ngakhona ngiyacabanga ukuthi bangayithatha iKaizer Chiefs bayibeke somewhere ngale midfield yabo efana noGacheni nomdlalo ofana noMabuyi
now tell me Bobo yabona le defense eKaizer Chiefs coming into this game they kept a clean sheet against Golden Arrows there's also this combination endibonayo ngokuka Miguel and also Aiden Miguel has come under a lot of criticism in the past even namhlanje ku see there were moments where una moments where they under pressure Ibola he will just not look around where is his teammates he will play it safe of which nayo leyo you have to commend it because in better udlala safe pass than udlala dangerous pass to your teammate like defensive pairing center back pairing yeKaizer Chiefs ibona njani so far
Umigwelo usazoyenza ama mistake amaningi usazoyicitha iChiefs kumanje mawungabheka I understand vele kumele ukuthi sikhavane singabadlali so but uma ungambheka umigwelo into angichaza ngayo uyakwazi ukudlala safe and umunye umuntu angabona ngathi uyapanic because akekho good ukuthi angafuna ukureceive akwazi ukudlala so if uzazi ukuthi awukho good ukureceive udlale shade play safe regroup esibuye sizomakha but ama mistake anawo kakhulu the question is one uyakwazi ukucover abanye abadlali yena na njengoba yena sibona abadlali bamcover if ubona uQuinika akwazi ukumcover yena uyakwazi ukumcover yini nako uQuinika so sometimes uba out of position and nako lokho kumele ukuthi at least bakulungise the two center back bayilungise ukuthi ba understandane ukuthi omunye mayenza mistake omunye akwazi ukumcover so ngiyacabanga ukuthi into efana naleyo Shane uMiguel for mina kule back four ye Chiefs sometimes kumele ube nomdlalo ozoba calm if yena uyabona ukuthi uyagurasha akube nomdlalo ozoba calm njengoba sibona Aiden abuya ngapha azoyenzana azomaka and assist wayini Aiden assist lo mdlalo singamnaki sometimes ofana noModi ukuthi uyabuya azodropa kulela side la ka McKeith then uMcKeith enzeni abuye deep a little bit sokwazi abe ne recovery uma ngabe babhitha le center back efana nabo Miguel so ngiyacabanga ukuthi into ekumele bayilungise ukuthi ba understandane ukuthi kumele sikhavane not always kumele uQuinika cover or uMcKeith cover uMiguel while uMiguel angakhona ukuba cover Shane so nako lo ngicabanga ukuthi the two center back kumele bayilungise lenkingi
Ubuzini enkosi kakhulu umhlobo wami for your analysis umdlalo weCAF Confederations Cup between iKaizer Chiefs neZesco besubukele ke apha kwiDiski TV Kaizer Chiefs winile ke 1-0 bethele Zesco now Kaizer Chiefs they move to 4 points kule group Ubuzini what's up
mangaka ama team awinile kule weekend
it's Chippa United it's Kaizer Chiefs who else won
oyilama team aqala ngosine awinile Shane phela kwina ama team manje phela kwina team enkulu Shane kumele usho
Amazulu awinile
team enkulu unfortunately Chippa but yabona abantu Amazulu awinile so kusho kona ukuthi kule big 3 only Kaizer Chiefs ewinile Shane Sundowns and Orlando Pirates badlala draw
thank you wow
Amazulu number 4
wow
hey ilokhu yazi league ya this season Shane ungabheka omunye uma wina nje fast ngibone ngeStellenbosch straight winner siku number 12 for 13
yeah ne okay Kaizer Chiefs 1 Zesco FC 0 thank you so much for watching iDiski TV
all abafethu this is Junior Khanye please subscribe to iDiski TV
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.